Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by narrowing scope. Decide topic, desired pace, and target length so you know what clips to hunt. Next, identify clip types you need: B-roll, interview bites, screen captures, or stock, because each source and format differs. Then immediately apply a legal filter. Check Creative Commons licenses, public domain status, or prepare fair use notes. Once done, you'll stop wasting time on irrelevant footage and move straight to the places that actually host usable clips. You now run focus searches using targeted keywords, channel filters, and playlists to surface relevant segments quickly. While previewing, mark timestamps and use a clipper or high-quality screen recorder to capture the exact range. This preserves frame rate and audio. Make sure to log source metadata, URL, creator, license, and timestamp in a simple spreadsheet so you can trace rights later. Once clips are captured, rename files with a standardized convention so editing and batch processing become painless. You finish by trimming clips for rhythm and consistency. Tighten in and out points, normalize audio levels, and adjust color to match your sequence. Before publishing, recheck licenses and secure releases where needed. If a clip raises red flags, replace it immediately with a safe alternative. Finally, export your master and archive raw captures plus the rights log so you can respond to claims. If uploads are blocked, consult your metadata log, swap clips, and re-encode with cleared assets.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.